Hey guys, it's me Tracy here at TYS Creates. Thank you for stopping by. I want to share some projects that I've done using the BeeBeeCraft items that they sent me. Today I am featuring these beautiful resin roses that they sent. Love the colors. And I am also featuring the cabochons that they sent. So before we get started, I want to let you know that I will have information linked down below on their YouTube program. Also, the items that I am featuring today, they will be linked in the description box. So if you like what you see, you click on that link and it will take you directly to that product. And you can always search their website, beebeecrafts.com. So let me show you what I have created. This time around, I did some tassels and some bows. So using the cabochons, I created some bows using them as the centerpieces. Turned out so stinking cute, and it goes so well with this paper. And if you can see, it has like the little gummy bears on the paper. So absolutely love how the bows turned out using the cabochons as the center of my bows. So cute. And you can definitely pop these on a project. And for the tassels, this is how they turn out. I have not done paper tassels in such a long time, and I had so much fun doing these. And if you can see, I have those beautiful resin roses right in the center. The other items came from my stash. And also, I used that gold trim that I featured in my last video. I wrapped that gold trim around. So love how those turned out. So cute. Absolutely love the colors. And you could definitely pop these on a project. So that is my quick BeeBeeCraft share. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it. And again, if you like what you see, click the links below and take a better look. You guys have a great crafty day. And until the next video, bye-bye.